Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. Every time we are trying to improve on our hair quality, it's not only about the material but also like how we process the hair, how to make the hair have more better movement for our Remy human hair. And every batch of hair we do a lot of tests. We have to do the washing test to see how the hair behave when it's wet, and also a very important thing is how is the hair movement like. No tangle, no shedding is actually a minimum requirement for our hair. You won't face this kind of issue, but what we are looking for is that try to improve our hair quality so that it has more better movement. It can be more silky but better movement, like for this kind of silky straight hair. So that is why we have to do the washing test to see how the hair behaving when we wetting the hair. And we sometimes we will do different type of conditioner, so see how the hair behave when we use a different conditioner. So this is a straight hair with different type of conditioner, and it actually looking and feel completely different with that. And this is how they are before washing with two type of different conditioner, and this is after washing how it is looking like. So we have to keep doing this type of test to improve our technique and make sure that the hair is more and more liked by all our clients. So this is how it is. It's still not dry yet, and after dry we will still use more conditioner, so see how the hair is after completely dry and conditioned. So if you are looking for like quality hair and which can use for a very long time, and you can try our Remy human hair. This is very affordable type of hair compared with straw hair. So any question regarding this, you can feel free to let us know. Thank you. Have a good day.